Hi Sarah, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about using the KBB Trade Portal to structure and send professional quotes. So in the Trade Portal, this is where your professionalism becomes visible. It helps you structure quotes properly and present them clearly. So what you're going to learn in this one, how to search products, how to apply margin, how to add installation pricing, how branding is applied, and how to generate the professional quote PDF. Gives you some quick wins with this one. Set up your installation rates once and get it right every time. Use consistent margins and present the quote properly before emailing. Because the common mistakes, and we've all done it, changing our margins emotionally, sending rough totals instead of structured quotes, and skipping the branding setup. Making sure our logo and our company is represented on this quote is absolutely critical. So I'm going to hand you over now to a member of our team who's going to demonstrate how to use the Trade Portal, how to set up your quotes. And remember, you get access to this Trade Portal after you put in your first design. So the way it works is when you put in your first design, we'll upload your design into the Trade Portal. We'll also send you the information on WhatsApp. But once it's in the Trade Portal, a member of the design team will reach out and go, right, your stuff's in the Trade Portal. This is how you use it. And that's what we're going to get into now in this demo. But if you do have any questions or you want access to the Trade Portal sooner, contact us on WhatsApp on the link below.
Right, so I'm going to briefly go over the Trade Portal. And the question you're going to ask yourself, have you ever finished an installation and realised that the quote didn't actually produce the profit that you expected it to do? Well, that's because quoting kitchens and bathrooms can quickly become complicated. You might be working across spreadsheets, product lists, installation costs, and trying to keep your margins right on every job. And sometimes pricing is based on estimating how long you think the job will take, which can easily lead to underpricing work and losing profit. And when everything's done manually, it can also lead to inconsistent pricing between projects. So the Trade Portal is designed to remove all those problems. It gives you one simple system where you can build your project, apply your margin, and generate professional quotes all in one place, all within the portal. So the key here is that it's going to allow you to quote faster, consistent pricing, and it also protects your profit. So first thing that you need to remember is within the portal is you can build your project within here. So that can either be you can start a project yourself, so you can start a quote off yourself, or if you've submitted a design into us, we will then upload the quote into here for you. So I'll give you an example of how to build a quote. So the first thing you need to do is simply search for the items that you need, whether it's cabinets, worktops, appliances and fittings, and you apply those directly into the portal itself. So you can see here we've got kitchen units, component parts, sinks and taps, appliances, and it works its way along. So if you wanted to search for a kitchen unit, you might be looking for an 800 base unit. So I'll do 80B. We've got an 800 base unit. It's also going to bring in bridging units as well. So all the products that's related to that code, all the codes are found within the portal to be able to use within the trade index. So I'm going to put an 800 base in, and it will immediately put your prices in there, so the cost to you. This means that everything is organised so you can quickly build a clear and accurate project without manually creating product lists or importing them to any other projects. If we put a quote in here for you, you can add or remove items from it, so that will speed up any changes that you need. So it's going to allow you to have a faster project setup. Everything's going to be organised in one place, and it's going to give you accurate product selection, but also the pricing is correct. And the next thing that you're going to want to do at this point is apply your margin. So instead of calculating prices manually, getting your calculator out, the system applies your margin before the final quote is even generated. So this is going to help keep your pricing consistent across every project and ensures you're always protecting that margin. To do that, it's really simple. All you do is from the section that you're on is click change margin, put the margin that you want to change it to. So for example, 30%, which is about normal. You want to select that it's for all the items in that section and press OK. What that's going to do is change here. The section profit in this is 30%. And you can do that from each section. So if I want to do it for sinks and taps, I might want to change the margin here, but I might only want to put 20% on sinks and taps. And it will do it across everything for you. So what this will also allow you to do when you come out of the quote is you can come into project values here and you can see the profit that you're making in each section, and it will also give you your overall profit as well. So obviously the benefit there is, again, you're going to get consistent pricing. There's no manual calculations, so there's no real error that's going to be made. You can double check your margins before you generate the quote, which is going to protect that profit. What you're also able to do is include your installation pricing. So all that you need to do there is simply download the installation rates template. You only ever need to complete this once. Enter your installation rates. If there's anything you want to add, that's fine. Just keep it to the same template. Keep the same rates that we've put on there if you want to. Send that back to us with your company logo and your company details, and we'll upload everything into the system. So your installation and pricing and branding are automatically included in your quotes. So what you'll be able to do here is add from your installation here, is add installation costs to that quote. So for example, I might want to do some flooring, for example. So I want to put installing luxury flooring, inclusive adhesive, and I'll be able to add that. It's got the cost per metre square and what the consumer's going to pay. And again, from here, you can change your margin as well. So if you want to add some margin to your installation, you can do that as well. So you can see we're making profit in that section also. So the benefit here is that your installation, your installation pricing now is going to be built into every quote. It's got professional branded quotes, and it's a simple one-time setup. So once you've sent it in to us, your rates will always be included in this in your quoting portal, your trade portal. So once your project is complete, generating your quote itself just takes a couple of seconds. The portal creates a professional PDF that's ready to send directly to your customer, but it's all branded up as you. There's no formatting, no spreadsheets, no extra work. It's just a clear quote that represents your business professionally. So from this quote where we've built it ourselves, we've added installation, we've added luxury floor into the installation because the customer's asked us to, all we do then is preview that quote. What that will then do is spit out the quote here completely. It's got the customer's name on, it's got all your details in, it's got all the details of all the products. If you've got some of the products, will have pictures associated to them, whether it's appliances or sinks and taps and worktops. It also includes all your installation costs and breaks it down here at the bottom. So you've got a fully comprehensive quote there that you can download and send to your customer very, very quickly, very easily. So the benefits again here from this section is that installation pricing is built into every quote. It's professionally branded quotes. It saves hours and hours of admin, and it's a faster response to customers because it's all done in one place. So the key here is using the trade portal consistently. So every project follows the same professional structure. It helps you stay organised, keeps your pricing consistent, it protects that profit, and you spend less time on admin and guessing what to quote customers, and more time doing what you should be doing, which is running your business. Now, if you'd like to get help getting started, just contact us and we'll guide you through the initial setup.